What are we making today?
Food.
Which food?
I don't know.
It's called samosa. It's a Kenyan snack. We call it samosa. So
No,
it's very delicious.
No.
Really?
No.
It's delicious
No.
and so yummy. Okay, what ingredients do we have today?
Meat, oil, and then salt.
And Jaden, what ingredients do we have? Onion and garlic, spring onions, leeks, coriander, rosemary, and our seasoning, ground masala, cumin. Yeah. All right, let's start this. We need to eat.
It's mine.
So
Now?
yeah, our pan is hot.
I want to.
Okay, just pour it. You have to be careful. Don't burn yourself. What did you do?
I didn't burn myself.
You did something.
Today.
Okay, it's time for us.
Can I eat it now?
No. You can't eat it like that.
Why?
Keep stirring. Breaking the lumps. You have to break the lumps.
What? Can I eat?
Sure.
A little bit.
Can I do it?
No.
Okay, stop and you
I want to eat it.
can't use your knife like this.
Why you so fast?
Yeah.
Can I try? Can I now go?
So we have brown our meat. So now we need to put our. So now we need to put all the ingredients inside. Can you do that? Why you don't want to do it? Jada, help me with
I want to do this.
You want to start? We need to pour all the ingredients together. Let me take the chopping board. Yeah? Give me this. You have to be careful. Don't move the pan. So these are our diced onions and spring onions. Our garlic. Some chili.
It's not much chili.
Just a little bit. To give it some chili flavor.
Yeah,
Not so
then I
much
don't want
chili.
to eat it.
Then our leeks. It's our leeks. Leeks.
Yummy!
You are moving the pan.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, just look at that. And here we have our coriander and rosemary.
I'm not a little bit from Kenya.
We put our spices.
Spicy song.
Gram masala.
I want to do it.
Okay, you can do it. Here we go.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't eat it like that.
What will happen
Then
if I eat it
cumin.
like that?
It's cumin.
What will happen if I eat it like that?
Gram masala. Can you open this one? Put this one.
That's so small. I want to do myself.
Not so much, not too much. Yeah, that's enough. That's good enough. Then you have to keep stirring.
No, we need
That's
this.
coriander, but I have to put coriander. You want the dry one?
I want to try it.
Okay, just a little bit of it. Not so much because we have fresh coriander.
It will not taste nice now.
You delicious. The aroma is just something else. So we are going to cook our mixture. Look at that. Oh. So you see the outcome. Our minced meat and spices are already cooked. So in the meantime, we're going to switch it off and we wait.
How do you switch it off?
Switch off. We pastry paste. We already have our sheet ready, so when we fill it, it's for sealing. The paste is for sealing, so it has to be thick as much as possible. No, you don't do that. Can you show us? Let me see. Let me see what you are doing. This is what we have. Our sheets are ready. We just need to make a paste for. So put the flour for us. Some few spoons. You can put like 4 of them. Yeah. Jeremy. No, not inside there. The bowl. Yeah. Because we need to make a paste. A thick one, yeah?
Can I eat it?
We need to make our pockets.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't eat it like that.
But why?
Yeah.
No.
You can't make it like that.
No.
So
Mama,
our
this
sheets
is
are
enough.
ready. We just need to fill and
Okay.
fold. We fold them first. So we are folding our pockets now.
It's China food.
Folded so far. We need to make the pockets ready.
The
This is how
papa
we are
will.
doing it. Let me show you.
The papa will.
You fold like this. You make a triangle. Then you put the paste. So we fold it using the paste. Put the paste there. Then you spread it. You fold it like that. Yeah. Now our pocket is ready. And once we fill, we fold it again like
This
this.
is China
And we have a
food.
beautiful triangle. See?
It's China food.
It's yummy.
Do you like China food?
Yes, I do. I can try all cuisines. This is how we are filling the
What do you-
samosa pockets.
Can I eat it?
Now we need to fry it first. Who wants to try?
No. China food?
It's not
Can
Chinese.
I eat it now?
No, I need to fry it.
Get the this fry.
I need to fry it on the oil.
You dare China food?
Yeah, we
Because
fill.
of the agent.
This is how we fill it. This is how we are filling our. It's beautiful.
Look like they really.
So our fillings are ready. No, Jeremy, eat it. You're going to pour it this way. The samosas are ready for deep fry. So we are going to pour our oil inside the pan. Can you do that for us? Pour some cooking oil inside here.
No, me. I'm not putting.
Jeremy,
I'm
put
going
it
to
for
put
us.
too much.
Yeah, we need much. Of course, we need much. Can
Okay,
I help you?
no, I want to put much.
Yeah.
So much?
Yeah, put it.
Everything.
I will let you know. I'll let you know when it's enough. Our oil is ready for deep frying. Should I do it or you want to do it?
Me.
No. Let me do it. This one, you have to be careful. It's a bit dangerous.
Can I do it now?
Okay, let me do it.
Can I do it?
Wow. No, you don't drop.
Huh?
Yummy!
We repeat the process for the rest of the samosas until we are done.
It's the best food ever.
How cool is that? Looks delicious, yeah?
Yeah.
So
Better than Mr.
our
Lee.
samosas are ready.
Better than Mr. Lee.
Can you give it a trial?
Yeah.
Yeah. And crunchy as well. You want some lemon? Sprinkle some lemon on top.
Yeah.
It's very yummy with some lemon.
No.
So yummy. Can I
Crunchy.
Yeah.
It's healthy, but
Can you
it's,
show us the
Mama,
filling inside?
Mama,
Yeah.
it's healthy, but it's
Very
very delicious.
Very delicious. Ah. Here we go. Samosa. Are you supposed to say?
Thank you. Thank you. I said already. Thank
You did? Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. So we are going to make more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Delicious, huh? So yummy. Samosa. Try it with some lemon.